Everyday English simple question and answer.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 5 rooms.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the living room.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived here for 3 years.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is your home close to your work?
Yes, it's very close.
How many people live in your house?
4 people live in my house.
Do you have a garage?
Yes, we have a garage.
What color is your house?
It is white.
Do you have a basement?
No, we don't have a basement.
How many floors does your house have?
It has 2 floors.
Do you have a swimming pool?
No, we don't have a swimming pool.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love my home.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, I do.
Is your home near a park?
Yes, it is near a park.
Do you have a fireplace?
Yes, we have a fireplace.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 5 years.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, I work from home.
How many days a week do you work?
I work 5 days a week.
What do you do at work?
I manage projects.
Do you have a lot of meetings?
Yes, I have many meetings.
Who is your boss?
My boss is Mr. Smith.
Do you like your co-workers?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I have a 1-hour lunch break.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at a nearby cafe.
Do you have a stressful job?
Sometimes, it can be stressful.
Do you travel for work?
Yes, I travel occasionally.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
What do you like most about your job?
I like helping people.
Do you have a big family?
No, my family is small.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brother.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are your children?
They are 5 and 8 years old.
Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live nearby.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a cat.
What do you like to do with your family?
We like to go to the park.
Do you have family gatherings?
Yes, we have family gatherings every month.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, we visit them every weekend.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have several cousins.
Where do your siblings live?
My brother lives in Chicago.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Sarah.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
Do your children go to school?
Yes, they both go to school.
Do you have any nieces or nephews?
Yes, I have a niece.
How many aunts and uncles do you have?
I have 4 aunts and 3 uncles.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My grandfather is the oldest.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My daughter is the youngest.
Do you have any brothers-in-law or sisters-in-law?
Yes, I have 2 sisters-in-law.
Do you rent or own your home?
I own my home.
What is your favorite thing about your home?
My favorite thing is the big windows.
Do you have a home office?
Yes, I have a small home office.
How far is your home from the city center?
It's about 20 minutes away.
Do you have a home gym?
No, I don't have a home gym.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, we have a small balcony.
What kind of flooring do you have?
We have wooden floors.
Do you have central heating?
Yes, we have central heating.
Is your home energy efficient?
Yes, it is quite energy efficient.
Do you have a lot of storage space?
Yes, we have plenty of storage space.
Do you have a guest room?
Yes, we have a guest room.
What kind of furniture do you have?
We have modern furniture.
Do you decorate your home for holidays?
Yes, we decorate for holidays.
Do you have a home security system?
Yes, we have a security system.
What kind of view do you have from your home?
We have a nice view of the mountains.
Do you have a laundry room?
Yes, we have a laundry room.
How many bathrooms are in your home?
We have 2 bathrooms.
Do you have a dining room?
Yes, we have a dining room.
Is your home well lit?
Yes, it is very well lit.
Do you have a favorite piece of furniture?
Yes, my favorite is the sofa.
Do you have a work uniform?
No, I don't have a uniform.
What is your office like?
My office is spacious and bright.
Do you work with computers?
Yes, I work with computers every day.
Do you have a work phone?
Yes, I have a work phone.
Do you get along with your boss?
Yes, we get along well.
Do you have a lot of paperwork?
Yes, there is a lot of paperwork.
Do you have an assistant?
No, I don't have an assistant.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, I enjoy working in a team.
Do you have to wear a suit to work?
No, I don't have to wear a suit.
Do you have to give presentations?
Yes, I give presentations sometimes.
Do you have a flexible schedule?
Yes, my schedule is quite flexible.
Do you have good benefits at work?
Yes, the benefits are good.
Do you have a lot of responsibilities?
Yes, I have many responsibilities.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax at home.
Do you like your office location?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you have a good work-life balance?
Yes, I think so.
Do you have a mentor at work?
Yes, I have a mentor.
Do you have a lot of deadlines?
Yes, there are many deadlines.
Do you need to work overtime?
Sometimes, I need to work overtime.
Do you attend conferences for work?
Yes, I attend a few conferences every year.
How often do you see your family?
I see my family every day.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we have a few traditions.
What do you like to do with your children?
We like to play games together.
Do your children help with chores?
Yes, they help with small chores.
Who cooks in your family?
My spouse and I both cook.
Do you have family dinners?
Yes, we have dinner together every night.
Do you go on family vacations?
Yes, we go on vacation every summer.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town.
What do your parents do?
My parents are retired.
Do you have family photos in your home?
Yes, we have many family photos.
What is your child's favorite toy?
Their favorite toy is a teddy bear.
Do you read to your children?
Yes, I read to them every night.
What do your children like to watch on TV?
They like to watch cartoons.
Do you have a family pet?
Yes, we have a dog.
What do you do on weekends with your family?
We often go to the park.
What is your family's favorite meal?
Our favorite meal is spaghetti.
What is your favorite family activity?
Our favorite activity is hiking.
How do you celebrate birthdays in your family?
We have a party with cake and gifts.
Do you help your children with their homework?
Yes, I help them with their homework.
Who is the best cook in your family?
My spouse is the best cook.
Do you have a front yard?
Yes, we have a small front yard.
Do you have a backyard?
Yes, we have a big backyard.
What kind of plants do you have at home?
We have roses and tulips.
Do you have a barbecue grill?
Yes, we have a barbecue grill.
Do you have a tool shed?
Yes, we have a small tool shed.
Do you have a patio?
Yes, we have a patio.
Do you do your own home repairs?
Sometimes, I do small repairs.
Do you have a lot of house plants?
Yes, we have many houseplants.
Do you recycle at home?
Yes, we recycle.
Do you have a home theater?
No, we don't have a home theater.
How often do you clean your home?
We clean every weekend.
Do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, we have a dishwasher.
Do you have air conditioning?
Yes, we have air conditioning.
Do you have a lot of books at home?
Yes, we have many books.
Do you have a home office?
Yes, we have a home office.
Do you have a porch?
Yes, we have a front porch.
Do you use solar panels?
No, we don't use solar panels.
Do you have a chimney?
Yes, we have a chimney.
Do you like to cook at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you have a washing machine?
Yes, we have a washing machine.
Do you get along with your co-workers?
Yes, we get along well.
Do you have an employee ID card?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a parking space at work?
Yes, I have a parking space.
Do you have a desk job?
Yes, I have a desk job.
Do you have health insurance through work?
Yes, I have health insurance.
Do you have a work email?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a job title?
Yes, I am a project manager.
Do you have to travel for work?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
Do you get a vacation?
Yes, I get 2 weeks of vacation.
Do you get paid weekly or monthly?
I get paid monthly.